Most Audi owners expect high repair bills at some point, but that outcome isn't inevitable. The difference between an Audi that struggles early and one that runs past 300,000 miles comes down to a few specific habits most owners never learn. In this video, I'll walk you through 17 proven maintenance practices that help Audis age smoothly and reliably, and why staying to the end matters if you plan to own yours long-term. Number 1. Change synthetic oil every 5,000 miles in severe conditions. Your Audi's turbocharged engine depends on clean oil more than naturally aspirated engines. While the manual might say 10,000 miles, real-world conditions are tougher than laboratory tests. Short trips, stop-and-go traffic, and temperature extremes all qualify as severe driving conditions. Use only VW 502.00 or 504.00 specification oil. This isn't marketing nonsense. It's engineered for your specific engine tolerances. The extra cost of frequent changes is nothing compared to a $15,000 engine replacement. I've seen too many Audis with oil sludge problems because owners followed extended intervals. Your turbo spins at over 100,000 RPM and needs pristine lubrication to survive. Number 2. Use only genuine G13 coolant and flush every 3 to 5 years. Audi's cooling system is more complex than most cars, with multiple heat exchangers and precise temperature management. Generic coolant might seem like a money saver, but it lacks the specific additives that prevent corrosion in aluminum components. G13 coolant is formulated to protect your engine block, cylinder head, and radiator from the inside out. Flush the system every 3 to 5 years, or per MMI reminder, regardless of mileage. Coolant breaks down chemically over time, losing its protective properties. This simple habit prevents expensive cooling system failures that can cascade into major engine damage. The $100 to $50 you spend on proper coolant and service will save you thousands in repairs down the road. Number 3. Service DSG or S-tronic transmissions every 40,000 miles. Your Audi's dual-clutch transmission is a marvel of engineering, but it requires specific maintenance to reach high mileage. The transmission fluid and filter must be changed every 40,000 miles with genuine Audi parts and fluid. This isn't a job for quick lube shops. The procedure requires special tools and precise fluid levels. Skipping this service leads to rough shifting, clutch wear, and eventually complete transmission failure. Independent shops familiar with German cars can perform this service for less than the dealer, but make sure they use factory specification fluid. A $400 service beats an $8,000 transmission replacement every time. Number 4. Cool down turbos for 30 to 60 seconds after hard driving. Modern Audis use sophisticated turbo timers and auxiliary cooling pumps, but you can still help extend turbo life with proper shutdown procedures. After highway driving or spirited acceleration, let the engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds before shutting off. This allows the turbo to slow down gradually and prevents oil coking in the bearings. Oil coking happens when superheated oil sits in turbo bearings after shutdown, forming carbon deposits that restrict lubrication. It's a simple habit that costs nothing but adds years to your turbo's life. Remember, turbo replacement can cost $3,000 or more, making this minute of idle time incredibly valuable. Number 5. Replace PCV valve every 60,000 miles to control oil consumption. Audi's direct injection engines are prone to oil consumption issues, often traced back to a failing PCV, positive crankcase ventilation valve. This $50 part regulates pressure in the crankcase and prevents oil from being sucked into the intake system. When it fails, you'll notice increased oil consumption and rough idle. Replacing it every 60,000 miles prevents these problems before they start. The job takes about an hour and requires basic tools. Many owners ignore this maintenance until they're adding a quart of oil every 1,000 miles. By then, carbon buildup has already damaged seals and gaskets. Stay ahead of the problem with preventive replacement. Number 6. Rotate and align tires every 7,500 miles. Audi sport-tuned suspension and powerful engines are hard on tires, especially if alignment isn't perfect. Rotate tires every 7,500 miles and check alignment annually or after hitting potholes. Uneven tire wear indicates suspension problems that will get expensive if ignored. Proper alignment also improves fuel economy and handling while extending tire life. Many tire shops offer free rotation if you bought tires there. Take advantage of this service. Keep detailed records of tire rotations and replacements. Patterns of uneven wear can reveal suspension issues before they become major problems. Good tires are your connection to the road, and they deserve attention. Number 7. Use top-tier fuel to protect direct injection systems. Audi's direct injection engines inject fuel directly into the combustion chamber at high pressure. This system is sensitive to fuel quality and carbon buildup. Always use top-tier gasoline, which contains detergents that keep injectors clean. Brands like Shell, Chevron, and Mobil meet these standards. Cheap gas might save a few dollars per tank, but it can lead to injector problems and carbon buildup that costs thousands to fix. The high-pressure fuel pump is particularly vulnerable to contamination and poor quality fuel. Replacement costs $2,000 or more. Spending an extra $2 per tank on quality fuel is cheap insurance against expensive fuel system repairs. Number 8. Walnut blast intake valves every 40,000 miles. Direct injection engines don't wash intake valves with fuel like port injection engines do. Over time, carbon builds up on valve stems and ports, reducing airflow and causing rough idle misfires and reduced power. Walnut blasting uses crushed walnut shells to remove carbon without damaging valve surfaces. This service costs $400 to $600, but restores engine performance and prevents more serious problems. Some shops use chemical cleaners, but walnut blasting is more thorough and safer for valve components. Schedule this service every 40,000 miles, or when you notice rough, idle, or reduced power. It's preventive maintenance that keeps your engine breathing freely. Number 9. Flush brake fluid every 2 years. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air over time. Water in brake fluid lowers its boiling point and causes corrosion in brake components. Audi's performance-oriented braking systems generate significant heat, making fresh brake fluid critical for safety and longevity. Flush the system every 2 years with DOT4 brake fluid meeting Audi specifications. This service prevents brake fade, extends component life, and maintains pedal feel. Many owners skip this maintenance until they experience spongy brakes or component failure. By then, expensive parts like ABS modules or brake calipers may need replacement. Fresh brake fluid is cheap insurance for your safety and wallet. Number 10. Replace air filter every 15,000 to 20,000 miles in severe conditions. Your Audi's turbocharged engine needs clean air to perform properly and protect internal components. A dirty air filter restricts airflow, reducing power and fuel economy while allowing contaminants to enter the engine. In severe conditions like dusty environments or heavy traffic, replace the filter every 15,000 to 20,000 miles, or sooner in dusty/heavy traffic conditions, instead of the standard 30,000-mile interval. This is especially important if you drive on dirt roads or in areas with construction. A $30 air filter protects thousands of dollars worth of engine components. Check the filter during oil changes and replace it when it looks dirty. Your engine will thank you with better performance and longer life. Number 11. Replace spark plugs. Every 60,000 miles with correct gap. Modern Audis use long-life spark plugs, but they still need replacement every 60,000 miles for optimal performance. Use only OEM or equivalent plugs with the correct heat range and gap specification. Incorrect plugs can cause misfires, carbon fouling, or even engine damage. Have the gaps checked before installation. Even new plugs sometimes have incorrect gaps. Worn plugs cause rough idle, reduced fuel economy, and can damage ignition coils or catalytic converters. The relatively small cost of quality spark plugs prevents much more expensive repairs. Keep records of plug changes and note any unusual wear patterns that might indicate other engine problems. Number 12. Clean and grease battery terminals annually. Modern Audis have complex electrical systems that are sensitive to voltage fluctuations. Corroded battery terminals create resistance that can cause strange electrical problems and damage sensitive modules. Clean terminals annually with baking soda and water, then apply dielectric grease to prevent corrosion. Check battery voltage regularly. It should read 12.6 volts with the engine off and 13.5 to 14.5 volts running. Weak batteries stress the alternator and can cause expensive electrical component failures. Replace batteries proactively every 4 to 5 years, rather than waiting for failure. A $150 battery replacement is much cheaper than diagnosing mysterious electrical gremlins caused by poor connections. Number 13. Proactively replace water pump and thermostat at 100,000 miles. Audi's water pumps and thermostats are known failure points that can cause catastrophic engine damage if they fail unexpectedly. Replace both components at 100,000 miles as preventive maintenance, even if they're still working. This timing coincides with timing belt service on many models, saving labor costs. A failed water pump can overheat your engine in minutes, potentially warping the cylinder head or worse. The thermostat controls engine temperature and affects everything from fuel economy to emissions. Replacing these components together with the timing belt makes financial sense and prevents roadside breakdowns. It's expensive upfront, but prevents much costlier engine damage. Number 14. Clear sunroof drains. Seasonally, Audi sunroofs have drain tubes that channel water away from the cabin, but these drains clog with leaves and debris over time. Blocked drains cause water to overflow into the interior, damaging electronics, carpets, and upholstery. Clear the drains seasonally, every 3 to 4 months, especially fall for leaves, by pouring a small amount of water into the sunroof tracks and ensuring it drains properly. Use compressed air or a flexible wire to clear blockages. Water damage repairs can cost thousands and may never fully restore your interior. This 5-minute maintenance task prevents expensive problems and keeps your cabin dry. Pay special attention to drain clearing in fall when leaves are falling. Number 15. Replace brake pads before rotors are damaged. Audi's performance braking systems use semi-metallic pads that are hard on rotors when worn too thin. Replace pads when they reach 3 to 4 millimeters thickness, rather than waiting for the wear indicators to squeal. This prevents rotor damage and saves money on brake jobs. Inspect brake components regularly and address any unusual noises immediately. Warped rotors cause vibration and reduce braking effectiveness. Quality aftermarket pads often outperform OEM pads and cost less. Keep spare pads in your garage if you drive aggressively or live in mountainous areas. Preventive pad replacement is much cheaper than replacing pads and rotors together. Number 16. Wash underbody frequently to remove salt and debris. Road salt and debris accelerate corrosion on Audi's aluminum and steel components. Wash the underbody monthly during winter and after driving on salted roads. Pay attention to suspension components, brake lines, and exhaust systems. Use a pressure washer or undercarriage wash at car washes. Apply corrosion protection spray annually to vulnerable areas. Rust never sleeps, and it's much easier to prevent than repair. Corroded brake lines, suspension components, and exhaust systems are expensive to replace and can be dangerous if they fail. A few minutes of preventive washing saves thousands in corrosion-related repairs and keeps your Audi safe and roadworthy. Number 17. Log all services and update software regularly. Keep detailed maintenance records and update your Audi software regularly at the dealer or with VCDS diagnostic tools. Software updates fix bugs, improve performance, and sometimes extend component life. Detailed records help diagnose problems and prove maintenance history for warranty claims or resale. Use apps or spreadsheets to track services, parts used, and costs. Note any unusual symptoms or patterns that develop over time. Good records are invaluable when troubleshooting problems or planning future maintenance. They also demonstrate to potential buyers that your Audi has been properly maintained, protecting your investment and ensuring maximum resale value. These 17 habits aren't complicated, but they require consistency and attention to detail, just like the German engineers who designed your Audi intended. The difference between an Audi that dies at 100,000 miles and one that thrives past 300,000 isn't luck or build quality. It's following a maintenance philosophy that respects precision engineering under the hood. Start implementing these habits today, and your Audi will reward you with decades of reliable service. Remember, preventive maintenance always costs less than repairs, and a well-maintained Audi is one of the most satisfying cars you can own. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.